Hello, efficiency enthusiasts, and welcome back to the Essence of Wellness podcast. I'm Eric Wilkins, your host, and today we're diving deep into the world of fitness to debunk some of the most persistent myths that might be skewing your view on health and exercise. In this brief overview, titled Unveiling the Truth, 6 Mind-Blowing Fitness Myths Exposed, we'll separate fact from fiction and shed light on the real strategies for achieving your fitness goals. First up, myth number 1, the truth about spot reduction. Can you really target fat loss in specific areas of your body through certain exercises? We'll dissect the science behind spot reduction and what it means for your workout routine. Moving on to myth number 2, do carbs really make you fat? It's a debate as old as dieting itself. We'll explore the role carbohydrates play in our diets and how they impact weight gain or loss. Next, we tackle myth number 3, the hidden dangers of extreme cardio. While cardio is celebrated for its health benefits, we dive into how too much can potentially harm rather than help your fitness journey. Then there's myth number 4, muscle turns into fat, fact or fiction. This age-old myth has confused gym goers for decades. We'll uncover the biological truth about muscle and fat in our bodies. Myth number 5 brings us to the skinny on detox diets and cleanses. Are they the miracle solution for weight loss and health they claim to be? We'll look at what science says about detoxing your way to wellness. Lastly, myth number 6, are supplements necessary for fitness success? With the market flooded with supplements promising fitness gains, we'll examine whether they're a crucial component of a successful fitness regimen or if they're just optional extras. At Efficient Results Visionary Enterprise, we're dedicated to cutting through the noise and bringing you the facts you need to know. So if you're ready to have your fitness beliefs challenged and gain clarity on what truly works, this episode is for you. Thank you for tuning in to the Essence of Wellness podcast. Let's unveil the truth behind these fitness myths together. Unveiling the truth, 6 mind-blowing fitness myths exposed. Expose the falsehoods of fitness myths like spot reduction and carb misconceptions. Discover risks of extreme cardio, truth about muscle and fat, the reality of detox diets, and the role of supplements. Uncover the crucial facts behind achieving true fitness success. Myth number 1, the truth about spot reduction. Spot reduction, a widely debated concept in the realm of fitness, continues to mislead individuals seeking to target specific areas for fat loss. This misconception suggests that focusing on exercises for a particular body part, such as the abdomen or thighs, will result in fat loss in that specific area. However, scientific evidence does not support the idea of spot reduction. When the body burns fat for energy, it does so in a systemic way, drawing from fat stores throughout the body rather than just the targeted area. To understand why spot reduction is not effective, it is important to grasp how the body metabolizes fat. During exercise, the body breaks down stored fat to use as fuel. This process happens uniformly across the body and is influenced by factors like genetics, hormones, and overall energy balance. Instead of fixating on spot reduction, individuals should focus on holistic fitness strategies that encompass cardiovascular exercise, strength training, and a balanced diet. This approach promotes overall fat loss and muscle toning, leading to a more sculpted physique. By adopting a comprehensive fitness regimen, individuals can achieve their desired aesthetic goals while also enhancing their overall health and well-being. Spot reduction may be a tempting concept, but understanding its limitations is essential for making informed decisions about fitness practices. Myth number 2, do carbs really make you fat? Contrary to popular belief, the role of carbohydrates in weight management is a complex and crucial aspect of nutrition science. Carbohydrates are often vilified as the primary culprit behind weight gain, leading many to adopt low-carb diets in an attempt to shed excess pounds. However, the truth is far more intricate than a simple carbs make you fat narrative. Carbohydrates are a crucial source of energy for the body, particularly for high-intensity activities. They are broken down into glucose, which fuels our muscles and brain. The key to understanding the relationship between carbs and weight management lies in differentiating between complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, and simple carbohydrates, found in processed foods and sugary treats. Complex carbohydrates provide essential nutrients and fiber that promote satiety and overall health. On the other hand, excessive consumption of simple carbohydrates can lead to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, followed by crashes that leave you craving more sugary foods. It's not carbs themselves that lead to weight gain, but rather the type and quantity consumed. In moderation and as part of a balanced diet, carbohydrates can be included without fear of automatically packing on extra pounds. The key is to make informed choices, prioritize whole, nutrient-dense sources, and pay attention to portion sizes to support your fitness goals and overall well-being. Myth number 3, the hidden dangers of extreme cardio. Engaging in excessive cardiovascular exercise beyond one's physical limits can pose significant risks to both the body and overall well-being. While moderate cardio workouts can offer numerous health benefits, such as improved cardiovascular health, enhanced endurance, and weight management, pushing oneself to extreme limits can lead to adverse effects. Individuals who partake in excessive cardio sessions may experience issues like overtraining syndrome, which can manifest as persistent fatigue, decreased performance, mood disturbances, and even weakened immune function. Additionally, too much high-intensity cardio can put excessive stress on the joints, potentially leading to overuse injuries like stress fractures, tendinitis, or joint pain. Furthermore, excessive cardio can also have negative impacts on muscle mass. Over time, excessive endurance training without appropriate rest and recovery can break down muscle tissue for energy, leading to muscle loss. This can hinder overall physical performance and slow down metabolism, making it harder to maintain a healthy body composition in the long run. It's vital for individuals to strike a balance in their cardio routines, ensuring they challenge themselves without overdoing it. Incorporating varied workouts, allowing for adequate rest periods, and listening to the body's signals are essential practices to prevent the hidden dangers associated with extreme cardio. Myth number 4, muscle turns into fat, fact or fiction. Continuing our exploration of fitness myths, we turn our attention to myth number 4, muscle turns into fat, fact or fiction. This common belief is a misconception that has misled many individuals on their fitness journey. The truth is that muscle and fat are two distinct types of tissue in the body, each with its own unique characteristics and functions. Muscle tissue is crucially active and plays a pivotal role in burning calories and supporting overall metabolic function. On the other hand, fat tissue serves as a storage form of energy and insulation for the body. When individuals stop exercising or reduce their physical activity levels, they may experience a decrease in muscle mass due to disuse atrophy. Simultaneously, if their caloric intake remains the same or increases, they might start to gain fat. This can create the illusion that muscle is turning into fat, when, in reality, it is the loss of muscle mass alongside an increase in fat storage. It is essential to understand that muscle does not magically transform into fat, nor does fat convert into muscle. Instead, changes in body composition occur based on factors such as diet, exercise habits, and overall lifestyle choices. By maintaining a balanced approach to fitness that includes regular exercise, proper nutrition, and healthy habits, individuals can prevent the misconception of muscle turning into fat and achieve their fitness goals effectively. Myth number 5, the skinny on detox diets and cleanses. Detox diets and cleanses have gained popularity in recent years as individuals seek ways to cleanse their bodies and jumpstart healthier habits. While these methods often promise quick fixes and miraculous results, the truth behind detox diets and cleanses may not be as glamorous as advertised. One common misconception surrounding detox diets is the idea that they are necessary to rid the body of toxins. In reality, our bodies are equipped with organs like the liver and kidneys that naturally filter and eliminate toxins. The effectiveness of many detox diets in removing toxins remains scientifically unproven. Moreover, Detox diets and cleanses often involve severe restrictions on food intake, leading to potential nutrient deficiencies. These restrictive diets can also disrupt the body's metabolism and lead to muscle loss rather than fat loss, which is counterproductive for those seeking to improve their overall health and fitness. It's essential to approach detox diets and cleanses with caution and skepticism, understanding that sustainable lifestyle changes, such as a balanced diet and regular exercise, are the keys to long-term health and wellness. Instead of relying on quick fixes, focusing on nourishing your body with whole, nutrient-dense foods and staying hydrated is a more effective approach to supporting your body's natural detoxification processes. Myth number 6. Are supplements necessary for fitness success? Supplementation in fitness is a topic often surrounded by debate and confusion, with many individuals questioning the necessity and efficacy of incorporating supplements into their exercise routines. While a well-rounded diet should ideally provide most of the nutrients needed for physical activity, there are scenarios where supplements can be beneficial. For example, individuals with specific deficiencies or dietary restrictions may benefit from supplementing certain vitamins or minerals to support their fitness goals. However, it's important to recognize that supplements are meant to do just that: supplement a healthy diet, not replace it. Relying solely on supplements without addressing dietary habits and exercise routines is unlikely to lead to significant fitness improvements. Additionally, the supplement industry is largely unregulated, leading to potential risks of consuming contaminated or ineffective products. Hence, it's crucial to research and choose supplements from reputable sources to guarantee safety and quality. Ultimately, the necessity of supplements for fitness success varies from person to person. Some individuals may find supplements helpful in reaching their fitness goals, while others may thrive without them. It's vital to consult with a healthcare provider or nutritionist to determine if supplements are suitable for your specific needs and goals. Keep in mind, supplements should complement a balanced diet and consistent exercise regimen, not serve as a shortcut to achieving fitness success. Here are a few frequently asked questions. How does spot reduction actually work, and why is it considered a fitness myth? Spot reduction is the belief that targeting specific areas of the body through exercises will reduce fat in those regions. This myth persists because the body burns fat uniformly, not selectively. To achieve overall fat loss, a combination of cardio, strength training, and a balanced diet is essential. Can consuming carbs actually contribute to weight gain, or is this just a common misconception? Consuming carbs can lead to weight gain if not balanced with physical activity and overall caloric intake. Carbohydrates are a primary source of energy, and excess consumption without expenditure can contribute to weight gain over time. What are the potential risks associated with excessive cardio workouts? Excessive aerobic workouts can lead to overtraining, increasing the risk of injuries, fatigue, and muscle loss. It may also elevate cortisol levels, impacting hormonal balance. Balancing cardio with adequate rest and strength training is essential for best fitness outcomes. Is it true that muscle can turn into fat if you stop working out, or is this just a myth? It is a myth that muscle can turn into fat if you stop working out. Muscle tissue and fat cells are distinct entities that do not convert into one another. However, ceasing exercise can lead to muscle loss and potential fat gain due to changes in metabolism. What are the potential benefits and drawbacks of detox diets and cleanses for overall health and fitness? Detox diets and cleanses may offer short-term weight loss and a sense of rejuvenation. However, potential drawbacks include nutrient deficiencies, muscle loss, and a lack of long-term sustainability. Consult with a healthcare provider before starting on such programs. To sum up, by dispelling these 6 common fitness myths, individuals are better equipped to navigate the complexities of the health and wellness landscape. Understanding the truths behind these misconceptions empowers readers to make informed decisions about their fitness journeys, leading to more effective and sustainable outcomes. By embracing evidence-based practices and rejecting falsehoods, individuals can set out on a path towards genuine vitality and well-being. Let knowledge be the compass guiding you towards a healthier lifestyle. As we wrap up another episode of the Essence of Wellness podcast, I want to thank you, our dedicated efficiency enthusiasts, for joining us today. Remember, wellness is a journey, not a destination, and each step you take is a move towards a healthier, more fulfilled you. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and most importantly, stay efficient in your wellness pursuits. Join us again next time as we continue to explore and uncover the best practices for a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Until then, this is Spencer Stein signing off. Take care, embrace wellness in all its forms, and keep striving for those efficient results in every aspect of your life. Goodbye for now, and remember, the path to wellness is yours to walk, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Hey, efficiency enthusiasts. If you enjoyed the insights and inspiration from the Efficient Results Visionary Enterprise Essence of Wellness podcast, please take a moment to subscribe, like, and share. Your support is crucial in helping us continue to provide great content. Let's spread the wellness journey together. Thank you for being a part of our community.